So you spend $223.8 on Google Ads in your first month and got bad conversions. Is this learning phase or am I doing it wrong? Okay, so I cannot, see your image clearly. So I think this lags over here. But if I move on to the other one, okay, I'm running Google Ads for a client for the first time, and I could really use some feedback from people more experienced than me. Context niche travel agency. They run organized trips tours. Spent so far $223. Time frame first month of running the campaign. Goal get people to book or at least show strong intent, not just window shopping. Results: the campaign is getting some conversions from leads, but almost all of them are just people asking general question, not really ready to take action. No serious bookings or high intent leads so far. I have rated the travel niche is tough, and people usually don't decide on the spot, or so maybe that explains the part of it. But I'm not sure if this is normal or if my setup is the problem. My question is this still considered a learning phase for $220 in ad spend in the first month? Is it normal to see low quality leads, or should I already be seeing some strong signals that the company is working or not? Could the real issue be the landing page? Maybe the traffic is okay, but the page isn't convincing enough to get serious inquiries. What are the key things you usually check for a travel booking landing page? And do I need to build a proper funnel instead of going straight for the conversion? For example, call traffic, content, info page, remarketing, offer trip details, then push for booking. Is it unrealistic to expect direct conversion of the first visit in the niche? Match types: should I be using broad match right now? I'm unsure if I should stay more controlled with a phrase or exact, or open things up with the broad with good negatives and smart bidding. For a niche like travel tours, do you find broad match helps the algo find better intent? Currently using only exact match faces, or does it just bring more low quality face? Okay, so it's a quite a long question. So because you said that the people are not coming in, the right, and the people are asking general questions, so they could be over here. The intent with visitors are coming are not right. So this shortlist us to move on to exact or phrase match keywords. Uh, Big no for broad match for issues like this. So I may discuss later on for the smart bidding and something, but this is a general. Second thing, retargeting or coming up with a whole funnel is a good thing. So, but how you gonna create a funnel for this? So, how you have thought it? So, let me see your funnel again. Cold traffic, content info page. So, what content info page you have in mind? This is a general thing to think regarding a funnel. But retargeting itself is a good. But coming up with a whole funnel, how you going to create a funnel? Are you going to give a free tour or traveling? What kind of a thing you're going to attract them, or are you giving them a discount? I have not seen the funnels like this working well in the traveling niche. Retargeting do works well. So first of all, apart from this, you said that your landing page, yes, your landing page could be a core issue. So I think that the landing page could be a core issue. Plus work on your analytics to see where people are coming, which part of the page is focusing, how they are leaving, how soon they are leaving. So you may need to use heat map as well. Plus use fraud click to see if competitors are clicking around. But if the people are coming and asking general queries, so it means that we are not targeting the exact people, which is why I recommend going with retargeting. But in the scenarios like this, look for competitors, what they do. I mean, what they do, their ad copy, their keywords, their landing page can help us a lot. Also add authenticity and landing page optimization, like reviews, authentication, trust, other video case studies of people who have visited with you. Also the traveling is a competitive niche, so traveling itself is a competitive niche. But if we look around on all of these things, the landing, the competitors can play a crucial role over there. Landing page optimization can play a crucial role. Coming up with retargeting. Also look on your ad assets and add maybe discounts, promos in your ad, discount promo ad. So like this can help people in getting more interest. But we need to find out the right combination. So I think that right now what we are having is we are not able to gather those people who want to buy. So I think that in traveling, social media helps along. So meta ads can also play a crucial role. So I recommend over here to run a meta ads along with Google ads. So a combo of this can help. So my opinion is that this can help. And do retargeting, look for analytics, look for comparators. So this can help you in optimizing the campaigns. So this is based on the data I have got so far, and I could not see your image properly because this was just small. And $223 is not much of a spend, so we need to spend more to analyze further. So I think that we need to more spend, but for this we need conversion tracking and everything working fine for the broader results to get around. So I hope this answers your question query. And if anyone needs a professional help with the Google Ads management, we are a full-fledged Google partner company, and we would love to help you. So you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. I hope this answers your question and query, and I look forward to working with you in Google Ads management. We also help clients with Shopify and WordPress development as well. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.